This is a 2000 Chevrolet Impala. More than just a ride, great engineering. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include a power driver's seat, air conditioning, an 8-speaker stereo system, a passenger side airbag, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 115,000 miles. The responsive 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, will quickly show that this is a great vehicle. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This car won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.